And this one's going to go going over this, the properties of definite integrals. So starting off, they give us these equations. Well, I don't even know what they are. These indefinite integrals. My bad. And they want us to find for part A. They want us from 0 to 7. So all you're gonna do is just add those, because 7 is right there and 0 is right there. So all you're gonna do is just add them. So you're gonna have 10 plus 3. Ooh, that's a hard one. I hate myself. Okay. So since they're asking for like the lowest number from these integrals, 0, and the highest number, 7, you're basically just gonna add them. That's just part of the properties of this kind of stuff. Okay, for this one, they're asking from 5 to 0, but then this one's 0 to 5. So to find this one, all you do is just flip the signs. And since that's positive, you're just going to have a negative, so negative 10. And for this one, they're asking from 5 to 5. Now, you can't really find the area from, like, if, like, that's, like, wow. If that's 5, you can't really find the area from, like, 5 to 5, because, like, that's the same, you get what I'm saying. So, basically, whenever the same number is given in the integral, it's just 0. Okay. And lastly, we have from 0 to 5, 3 times the function. Again, this is very confusing. It's really complicated. So they give us that f of x from 0 to 5 is 10, but now we have this 3. Now you're just going to multiply the 3. I know. It's really confusing, so let me know if you have any questions. So your answer is 30. So these ones aren't too bad, but you just have to know the properties of them. And I believe the next ones are the same, like similar to these. So for this one, they give us that f of x equals 10 and g of x equals negative 2. So now we have two different functions. So if they're asking from 2 to 6 of f of x plus g of x, all you're going to do is 10 plus negative 2, so you get 8. For this one, you do, again, this one's really hard. You multiply 2 by negative 2. So that's negative 4. And this one you just subtract, and then this one, it gets more confusing because you have to subtract and multiply. So that one's really hard. Let me know in the comments if I should do that one. Okay, then for this one, this graph, I don't know who the hell she thought could read this shit. I'm pretty sure she told us in class, like, the units for it, but I was probably not in the class at the time. Okay, so let's just pretend to make up some stuff. Okay, so let's just say that this is let's just say this is the y-axis. Oh, okay. There we go. Oh, that's better. And they're asking for the integral from 0 to 2. So basically, you have to remember that the integral represents the area. So if this is our y-axis, or 0, and this is our 2, they want us to find this area, the area under the curve. And so the area under the curve for this one is just this little portion right here. And this little portion happens to be a triangle. So basically all you're going to do is use your geometry skills. And so we're doing 1/2 to find the area. 1/2 base, our base is 2 times the height, and you 1, 2, 3, 4. So you get 4 as your final answer for this part A. Oh, sorry, I missed something. It's negative because it's under the x-axis. That's a pretty big mistake right there, but first I'll move on. Because it's like the negative 4, because you're going down negative. That makes sense though. Whenever it's under the x-axis, that means that the value is going to be negative. Okay, from 0 to 5, 3, 4, 5. So we have another shape, and again, all you're going to do is find the area of this whole region now. Okay, and I'm not sure what shape that is, but... Okay, but my units are off because she, like, gave us different units, but basically, just remember, it's not this complicated looking nasty ass shape. Basically, you're just going to find the area of whatever shape. Let's just say this is a triangle. Oh, there we go. So you're just going to find the area of this triangle. And then 7 to 5, so 5 is right there, 7 is like right there, so that's like a trapezoid thingy. Oh, that's weird. Then we go from 0 to 9, so like I'm pretty sure this is called that 9. I'm going to erase that whole thing. And the bottom portion, again, it's the same thing that we've done again. So this is going to be 0 because it's the same number. 0. Oh, shit. It's getting worse and worse. It's going to be 0 because it's from 3 to 3. And yeah, we just did the stuff up there as well. And so these ones aren't that bad, but you just have to know your properties. And you just have to know the values of this goddamn... Hold up. Okay, we're done. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions. Subscribe, of course, for new daily content. And I hope you have a great day.